evening. I come from China. This is our brand, it's SAS. We come from Zhejiang province, and we are professional zipper manufacturer. We already do 20 years zippers. And in Bangladesh market, we already did more than 10 years business. And here we are cooperating with more than 50 top outdoor factories here. We have very good market here. And now we are seeing a relationship between China and Europe and American. And we see most of our buyers, they shift the orders from China to Bangladesh. So we think Bangladesh have a high potential here, the market. And we also, our company will have a very good investment in Bangladesh market in future. Okay, thank you.